The Food Service Exchange presents.
Even though we are employed by AccuTemp, we work for the customer.
Coming from my background as a chef, it's one of the best feelings in the world knowing that it's almost like I'm a part of the team and not just somebody who is a vendor of equipment.
When AccuTemp hires a new service technician, the training period lasts a total of 6 months. The first month normally consists of hands-on training with every piece of equipment that AccuTemp offers.
That includes in an AccuTemp warehouse, but that also includes in the field so that we know what the service technicians that work in the field are going to go through. They have us cook on the units. They have us, work with one of the professional chefs so that we know when we're out in the field, yes, the unit is working to perfection.
Our service pledge is 777, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 days a week, at no charge to you. You have an issue or a question or need manuals or support, we're there to answer the phone and help you with whatever you need.
We have 330 restaurants open, and we're going to have issues. And when we do have issues, we get an answer right away. We know what the solution is going to be. We know what's going to happen, and it comes true.
There have been a handful of times where I've had to reach out to the support team, and within 10, 15, 20 minutes, we have a response.
No equipment's perfect, but when you do have an issue, it's great to be able to talk to a person and get your issue solved.
Lifetime service and support means that regardless of how old your unit is, you can call the service line free of charge, and we will provide every piece of advice and all the support we possibly can to get your unit fixed as quickly as possible.
What I like most about the service that we provide is it's a one-call resolution. If you are a cook or a chef or a restaurant owner or a manager and you have a problem, there's a number right on all of our equipment. You call it. What you're going to get is somebody who has the manuals in front of them, has done the service on the equipment you're calling about, and can help walk you through whatever situation you have, whether it's something minor or something major.
After working for 2 other food service manufacturers, I can say without a doubt that no one else matches AccuTemp's service pledge.